Here I've got TECNO Camon C8 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer, go to keypad obviously, and then let's start with the first code, which is Asterix pound, 426, pound Asterix. And that's it. Now we are in Google Play Services, where you can check ping, connect, disconnect, and also events. So that's basically all. This short code will allow you to gain access to such advanced info. Then let's go to the second code, which is Asterix pound, 4636, pound Asterix. And now you're in testing mode prepared by Google, where you can check phone information. Let me open it at first. And here you will be able to come along with email number. You can run a ping test here as well if you want to. Here you've got the solution. You can check the call redirect, message waiting, radio resets, and all the others. So let's go back. Then you've got battery information. So here you've got all details regarding your battery, like battery status, power plug, battery level, scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, and also time since boot. So let's go back. Then let's go one more time to this code, 4636, pound Asterix. Then you've got also usage statistics, where you will be able to come along with the detailed information about your applications. So let's go back. Okay, one more time, enter this code here. And finally, you've got also Wi-Fi information. And here you'll find Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So let's start with APA, where you can find disable network, disconnect network, enable network, then configured networks, and also connection info. Then Wi-Fi configuration with all configured networks included. And then Wi-Fi status, just refresh it to check the status of your Wi-Fi. And also you can run a ping test here, simply click on run ping test, and then here you've got the solution. Let's go back, and it's time for the third code, which is Asterix pound, 225, pound Asterix. And now we are in calendar info, so all events saved in your calendar will be included here. You will not forget about any important event. Once you want to check your calendar, simply enter this code and find what the future events are, the celebrations, or some other important dates. And then let's go to another code, which is Asterix pound, 759, pound Asterix. And now we are in debug menu, where you can check brand code, device ID, activation events sent. Also you can check pings and events here. Simply click on it, and then you will be able to find them. Also you can come along with your client's ID. So let's go back, and now it's time for the last code, the shortest one, but very useful, and it's Asterix pound, 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with email numbers assigned to your TECNO Camon C8. And click on OK to go back. That would be all. This is the last code for your device, for your TECNO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.